Let's get lucky. It's day 13. Let's get moving. Simple morning exercises to continue building discipline, consistency, mobility, flexibility, endurance. It's all going to be here in this short, easy, friendly workout. If you're looking like this today, do that. Our trusty chair is here. If you're doing your workout from your chair, by all means, mix it up if you can. Everything we're doing can be done in the chair. When we move side to side, just move your feet, move your arms. It's all about movement. Just move your body. Mood enhancement. A little more energy. Even 5 minutes can build it up. I'm gonna focus on creating luck today. There's no good or bad luck. And if there is, we create it. You ever notice how much luckier you feel after day 13? Oh, body's starting to feel better. I feel really lucky how good I feel. No, luck was the action. You've done that. Small, consistent actions generate luck. Little side to side, so just move your feet if you're in the chair. Just getting warmed up a bit here. Nice, simple movements. We move because of the way it makes us feel. And over time, the body will start to change. But every workout can boost your mood, elevate your energy. Real intentional. You can get a little twist in here. As much movement as you can find. You can twist. Really want to start to change the way we look at things. Then everything starts to feel lucky. Every challenge, if you can embrace it. Oh, here's an opportunity to grow and learn. Wayne Dyer, one of my most favorite authors, motivational speakers, teachers. I think it was his quote, when you change the way you look at things, the things you look at change. Rather than seeing things as a negative or bad luck, you change it as, oh, this is a good thing. It's a good opportunity to learn, to grow. Oh, how lucky am I for this opportunity to practice patience because this person's cut me off in traffic or whatever it is. When you change the way you look at things, the things you look at change. Pretty good. Reach it out a bit. You're just in your chair, you're like this, seated, wonderful. Just get a little bit more movement. Bring all your presence, all your gratitude. Oh, thank you for being able to move my body today. Can you imagine if we couldn't move these bodies, what we do for one day just to move them again? What if we're that grateful every day? You start to feel real lucky. The more grateful we are for what we have, the more lucky we'll feel. Most of us, if we're doing this video, have probably got most things we need. I can break it down to the simplest things. I get to breathe today. How lucky am I? I get to move my body today. Oh, how lucky am I? Shake that out a bit. Oh. Just, again, this can be done in the chair. Engage your core. We can have gratitude for what we have and take action like we're doing right now to become better, to be stronger, more flexible. Absolutely. It's the gratitude from where we're at, the acceptance of this is where I am right now. This is the reality. Now I can move forward. We want to lose a little bit of weight. Brilliant. I start from this place. Okay, this is where I'm at. No problem. I'm grateful for the acceptance of This is who I am today. Can I be a little bit better tomorrow? Get the leg up best you can. Shake that out. Just let's little bounce. Little bounce in our step. Ooh. Just gonna bend. Opposite hand, opposite foot on your heel. Easily done in the chair. In the chair, it's gonna be isometric exercise, stagnant. Now, we're dynamic. Whichever's best for you. Being able to touch my toe makes me very grateful. That just didn't happen. It's years of stretching, staying active, created the luck. If you're here or here, perfect, great. Be grateful for that. Go to your edge. Can you go a little bit further? Be grateful for the challenge of, oh, I want to touch my toe. One last trip around. Oh yeah, a little deeper, yes. Let's engage our core again. I love this. Russian twist, and this one's so good in the chair. Many of the same simple movements we've been doing for our 13 days so far. Simplicity helps so much in developing habits. Keep it simple, stupid, as they say. No problem for this guy to keep it simple, stupid. I'll be all right. If you're here with me still, do me a favor. When the video's over, you're gonna comment, job done. Helps to inspire others. Keeps you accountable. Also like the video. It helps to get it out to more people. Build this community so that we can push each other to be our best, to be more grateful, to enjoy every movement, every moment. Oh, really feel it in the lower back. Building that great core stability so we can climb stairs, we can carry our groceries, we're just ready for life because we got good core stability. Shake, shake, shake. Shake your arms out. Bring them forward. That's just, Maybe bring some focus into this. Maybe a sense of gratitude. How about that? How lucky we feel to move our arms. So fortunate. Building some shoulder strength, mobility. You can even go back as far as you can. Feel that stretch in the upper back, the shoulders. Just be here. Whenever you're doing the workouts, you're always welcome. Turn the volume off, put on your own music, and just follow along. The dopamine starts to flow for me, and I get a little chatty. There's no doubt. This is such a good high. Oh, no bad consequences to this high, that's for sure. Oh yeah. You start to feel a little tired in the shoulders? Good. I sure do. Yes, come on. These are our pump. We want strong legs. Six-pack abs, who cares? Nobody cares. Beachbody arms, nobody cares. Strong legs. Just a little pulse. Our most consistent mode of transportation. Our best form of transportation. Never let us down. Our legs, when we treat them right. Let's build some strength here. You can be seated in the chair. Can you just come up a tiny bit off your chair? Just do a little pulse. You can go really deep if you like here. Deep squats are amazing. I like this pulse squat, especially in the morning when I'm just a little stiffer. Still building the strength. Maybe not as much mobility, but it's okay. What if we added something here? Down, a little reach, huh? Down, reach to both sides. Down, hold, reach. Down, reach. Hold. One more. You feeling good? Feeling lucky? Yes. All right, last thing. Let's just, we're gonna go slow. You can just swing your legs. If you're in the chair, maybe bring your knee up. Kind of cooling it down if we've super simple. Maybe after our morning movement here, you want to go and journal for 5 minutes. Write about gratitude. It's a brilliant way to create your own luck. Start to write down the things you're grateful for. Be grateful for what you have. It brings alignment. You and the universe. Really, our luck is generated, like Tony Robbins, preparation. Luck is when preparation meets opportunity. So many more opportunities when we're feeling fit. Self-esteem is high from even doing a simple morning workout. I can't speak for you, but I feel amazing. Utterly amazing. I'm so grateful for this opportunity to be able to be in front of you, do these workouts together. Amazing. 1 minute or so. Mountain pose. Arms up if you like. The best woman out there. Just be. Just notice. Let's do a little gratitude meditation. Bring all your attention, all your presence into being grateful for this moment, to be alive, to be able to breathe. The simplicity of the things you can be grateful for. We're so fortunate to get to live these lives, this day and age, with all the troubles and 99.9% of things we're not going to change. We can change our attitude and how we look at things. We change our perspective of things. You're never going to get unhappy enough to make somebody else happy. Your happiness will spread joy around to others. Do that by being so grateful for this moment. Just be. Shake it out a bit. Notice the great things that happened to you today. The challenges are great also. Be grateful for all of it. Every single thing that happens, you can find a sense of gratitude for it. Opportunity to learn and grow. If it's a beautiful sunny day where you are, be grateful for that. If it's a stormy day, be grateful for that also. It's the way we look at things, how we can change and be more grateful and have more luck. Thank you. I'll see you for day 14 tomorrow. Remember, comment, job done. See you tomorrow. Goodbye.